Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to download Hello Neighbor 2 on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, make sure you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a great platform for playing games. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the official Steam website. In the top right corner, click Install Steam and follow the steps to set it up. Once you have Steam installed, open it up. If you don't have a Steam account yet, click Create a Free Account and enter your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top right corner and type in Hello Neighbor 2. The game should pop up in the search results. Click on its title to access the store page and learn more about it. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. Once you've completed the purchase, head over to the Library tab, where you'll find Hello Neighbor 2 listed. Click on the game and hit the Install button. A prompt will ask where you want to install the game. Choose your desired location and click Next. The game will start downloading. After the download is done, a Play button will appear. Click it to launch Hello Neighbor 2. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye.